In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment methods on the Hostinger website builder for your online store. Now, whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your payment options, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in and make sure your customers can smoothly complete transactions on your site. First, you'll want to open the Hostinger website builder. This is your main hub for developing your store, so having it open and ready is essential. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your website building tools and settings. Now, to find where you can manage your online store settings, navigate through the interface until you locate the section specifically for your store. It's usually labeled quite clearly, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Once you're in your store settings, look carefully for the option labeled Payment Methods. This is where you'll manage how customers pay for their purchases. Upon selecting this option, you'll see various supported payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. These are popular choices among e-commerce businesses worldwide due to their reliability and security. Choosing the right payment gateways is crucial because it influences not just how you get paid, but also how easy the checkout process will be for your customers. After selecting your preferred payment gateways, it's time to add them by clicking the appropriate buttons next to each service you want to incorporate. Keep in mind that each gateway will require specific credentials to link with your store. This includes things like your account details with that payment service. For example, PayPal might need your account email, whereas Stripe will ask for API keys. Make sure you have this information available and enter it accurately to prevent any disruptions or errors. With your credentials correctly entered, you'll also need to ensure each gateway is enabled. This ensures that the payment methods are active and ready for use on your website. Sometimes there might be sliders or toggle buttons next to each gateway that you must switch to an active state. Double check to confirm that your settings have been saved as active. This step is vital because it ensures that when a customer goes to make a purchase, they actually have the option to do so via the method you've set up. Finally, it's always a good practice to save your settings. Most platforms like Hostinger will have a save button at the bottom of the settings page. After saving, do a quick test of the checkout process yourself. This allows you to experience the process as your customers will. Confirm that the payment gateways are functioning as expected and without any hitches. So there you have it. You are now equipped to set up payment methods using the Hostinger website builder. This makes transactions simple and helps build customer trust and satisfaction. Thank you for watching today's instructional video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy selling and see you in the next video.